Hi, Harpreet. My name is Rick Purdy, and I'm the sales manager here at Mercedes-Benz Country Hills, Calgary. Harpreet, I wanted to reach out to you real quickly. You were chatting with Hi earlier on today. He had mentioned that you are quite the automobile enthusiast, so I appreciate you reaching out to our dealership here. What I thought I would do for you real quickly is Hi wanted me to give you a couple of different scenarios on payment options on the car that we currently have, the one that you're looking at. Obviously, an absolutely beautiful car, this 2019 Mercedes-Benz SL 550 Roadster, nicely equipped premium package, which includes the climate comfort front seats. It has the air scarf, the Magic Sky control, the drive dynamic multicolor front seats, foot activated trunk tailgate, easy power pack trunk, keyless go. Also has the night package, which includes the 19-inch AMG 7-spoke wheels. And last but not least, of course, it has the intelligent drive package, which includes the active distance assist Distronic, active blind spot assist, active lane keeping assist, pre-save plus, active steering, and active brake assist with cross traffic function. So it is a very, very nicely equipped vehicle. So payment wise on the vehicle, what I thought I would do is the original MSRP on this vehicle was $147,500. We've reduced the car over $16,000 to $131,093. We have a couple of fees in our freight and our PDI. So we have the car on sale right now, Harpreet, at $134,999 plus the GST. So total price on the vehicle is $141,748 tax paid, which is an excellent buy on this particular vehicle. So what I thought I would do for you real quickly is give you two quick scenarios on what payment would be. As Hy had mentioned, there is a 2.9% interest rate through Mercedes-Benz Financial. If you wanted to look at with $40,000 down, if you wanted to look at a 2-year term, payment would be $4,369. And if you wanted to look at a 3-year term, payment would be $2,955. And a lot of clients that look at these high-end exclusive cars, they do end up financing a good portion of the vehicle. It's always better to use somebody else's money for a depreciating asset. So I will send this off to Hy, and hopefully with this information here, you'll be able to make a decision on the vehicle that we have. Again, Harpreet, thank you so much for reaching out to our dealership, and we look forward to earning your business. Take care.